Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for your business. First, let's establish a solid foundation. Begin by clearly defining your target audience and understanding which social media platforms they frequent most. Next, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your social media presence. This strategic planning ensures your efforts are focused and effective, helping you achieve tangible results and grow your business online. Now, let's talk about creating content that truly resonates. Focus on producing a variety of engaging formats, such as high-quality images, short videos, and informative text posts. Consistency is key. Aim for a regular posting schedule, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week, to keep your audience actively engaged. Remember to tell your brand story, fostering a deeper connection with your community and encouraging interaction. Building a vibrant community around your brand is essential for long-term success. Make it a priority to respond to comments and direct messages promptly, showing your audience you value their input. Engage them with interactive polls, questions, and contests to spark conversation. Consider collaborating with relevant influencers or other businesses to expand your reach and tap into new audiences, fostering a sense of belonging. Finally, to ensure continuous improvement, it's crucial to analyze your efforts. Regularly review your social media analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Pay close attention to metrics like reach, engagement rate, and conversion rates. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and posting schedule. Staying informed about new platform features and emerging trends will help you adapt and optimize for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.